Hi, and welcome to this 20-hour plus Children's Beginner English course. This course contains a 22-chapter book with grammar, vocabulary, listening, and speaking activities. This book is complemented by teacher guidance for every chapter, giving you an in-classroom experience. This book has been made to support learning for the Starters Cambridge exam, which corresponds with the CEFR, which is the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages for pre-A1 level. So let's take a closer look at this course. So let's give you all a sneak peek into how the book looks and what kind of content it has. So let's take a look right now. This is the front page of the book, Starting English, for the starters pre-A1 level. Now, within this book, we provide information that comes from the Cambridge exams. If that's something that you're interested in, we provide information to help you find out some more about it. Then, this book is made to be fun, bright, vibrant, and useful for learning so much more vocabulary as well as grammar and other related activities. But you will find that the majority of the words from the word list for Cambridge starters is in this book. So it's fun and educational. So let's see how the chapters look. We have a range of topics, as you can see from here: names, colors, numbers, body, animals, food, all really useful topics for children just getting started with the English language. And you can see we have 22 chapters and a word list included at the end. So our first chapter, of course, introducing yourself. Here we start with a speaking activity and writing, practicing the alphabet with a fun game, as well as speaking aloud. Moving on to other speaking tasks and finishing off with a listening task here. Hello. Hi. Hey. My name is Eva the elephant. Hi, Eva the elephant. Hello. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you say, spell, and write your name? As you can see, it's colorful and so much fun for the kids to learn. So I really hope you enjoy this course and see you soon. Bye. What's this? It's an apple. Let's say the sentence. There is an apple. There is an apple. Good job. See. What's this? Do you remember? What did Eva tell us? It's a or. Good job. Rubber or eraser. Perfect. Is a boy. Look at him. Whose dog is it? It's his. He, him, his. He. Good.